Okay, let's do 360 in tree method. The easiest way to do it, if it ends in a 0, is just to divide it by 10. And so we quickly get to prime factors down there. And we also will get prime factors this way. Now, you need to write it in exponential form. I even underlined that this week. So that means that you take all of these prime factors and you write them with exponents. So we have 2, 2, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3. So that's 2 to the third power. I have 3 to the second power, and I have 5. Of course, if you ever want to check behind yourself, you can actually just evaluate this, make sure that it does multiply to give you 360. If I do this one with cake method, I can do 3 times 100. I can do 5 times 20. I can do 5 times 4, and 2 times 2, and 2 times 1. There's my candle. Okay, and again, we're looking at our prime factors, which when we do it with cake method, they're always on the left, and we write them with exponents. So I have 2 to the second power, because there's 2 of those. I have 1, 3, and I have 5 to the second power. So that was the first part, that's exponential form. Then we find the greatest common factor by writing all the prime factors that they share. So they both have a 5. I'm going to write 1 5 so far. I don't want to write 2 5s yet because we haven't crossed out 2 5s for each number. We've just crossed off 1. They both have a 2. They both have a 3. They both have another 2. And then the only thing that's left here is a 5, and the only thing that's left here is a 3 and a 2. So this is all that they have in common. And now what do? We multiply them all together. So 5 times 2 is 10, 10 times 3 is 30, and 30 times 2 is 60. In other words, 60 is the biggest number that goes into both 360 and 300.